Good morning, everybody. My name's Holly Bender, and I'm the manager of the IMEC Excellence Recognition Program. I'm delighted to be here today to celebrate the Bronze Award for Excellence. To achieve the Bronze Award for Excellence, an organization has to demonstrate systematic approaches to the basic requirements of the Baldrige Criteria, and their senior leaders have to guide and sustain the organization through the use of systematic approaches for their key work processes.
Hey, good morning, everybody. Dave Boulay, serve as president of IMEC, the Illinois Manufacturing Excellence Center. I got to say, this is an exciting morning on several levels. And the first one is, I think it's probably, Aarathi, I'm looking for you, but it's probably been, 7 years or so when I first came to visit the company and get to know what you do and get to see what's going on. And to see your journey has been fun. And I'm sitting on the sidelines watching it, right, and going. And having been at the original facility and now seeing this facility this morning, I just love what you're doing with the place. So this is an exciting time. And when you think about what you're embarking upon and the work that you've done as a company, this is a company that, as I've learned, has been built on incredible entrepreneurial spirit, grit, determination, all the things that bring a startup to being. And it's learning from those great successes and building upon those, taking the challenges, learning from them, and making sure they don't happen again, or building from them as well, and keeping the company getting stronger and stronger. And here we are, about 46 years later, with a great story of being a champion for women's health. So 46 years of success, you have to ask, why do you pursue something like Baldrige? It's a tremendous amount of work. It's a tremendous amount of commitment. It's weekends, it's evenings, it's a lot of effort. And the why you do this, the why that we look at something like this Baldrige framework and the work that goes on, is because of what you do and build upon, and to move forward from that with the concepts or the framework that Baldrige espouses. It builds a foundation. And that foundation is built on an internationally recognized framework that really looks at the processes, the systems, and the best practices around leaders taking strategy to serve customers. The team, the workforce, taking the knowledge, the skills to build efficient and effective operations. Build the processes, build the results. That's what makes a company that has been really, really, really good become even greater. And that's what this is all about. So as you sit here with 46 years of a great tradition and great success, and now you're building a foundation for another 46 years plus of great success. The new building, this recognition, this award, the work that comes on from what you've learned from this process to keep building, it's just a great moment. And today is indeed that moment to celebrate the award for excellence and the Bronze Award for excellence for Medgyn.
Accepting the award for Medgyn is Aarathi Singh, the Chief Operating Officer, Dr. Aarathi, the Chief Medical Officer, and Harsh Singh, the President of Thomas Medical.
This is it, guys. So, Amar and Harsh, do you want to join me? And I think we can take off our masks just to be a little bit better since we're all together. Okay, so thank you so much to the IMEC team, to Dave. Your support has been incredible over the years, and we're so appreciative of everything you've done for Medgyn. I'm Aarathi Singh. I'm the Chief Operating Officer at Medgyn. Today is a very special day in our over 45-year history. And it is a pleasure to have our team here today receiving this award in our brand new headquarters in Westmont. So we're very excited about that. But the Baldrige isn't just an award for us, it's a journey which takes us back to our company from humble beginnings. From the beginning, we always believed that quality healthcare should be available for women everywhere. We believed from the beginning that manufacturing your own product is very special, especially when you can do it right here in your home in the Chicago area. And from the beginning, we believed in doing good in the world, in hard work, in integrity, and building the best teams. So Medgyn, for those of you who don't know us, manufactures women's health medical devices for obstetricians and gynecologists, from large hospital systems to smaller clinics and offices, to even the most remote area for underserved population. We have 6 therapies that range across a woman's life cycle, from general gynae to family planning, infertility, obstetrics, gynae-oncology, and urogynecology. The therapy that has really grown over the years has been gynae-oncology, and that is due to our Medgyn cryotherapy system, our Medgyn digital video colposcopes, and our Medgyn endosampler. The Medgyn cryotherapy system in particular has really launched us on an international platform because it has been reviewed by the WHO and has allowed us to partner with leading NGOs. But we also innovate quite a bit at Medgyn. Innovation is really our core spirit, and we're so excited to have launched our latest product in cervical cancer treatment, the MTA 100 thermal ablation system for the treatment of cervical cancer. But with all this activity, we had also pursued the Baldrige over the past couple years, and it was a huge undertaking for us, especially going through it during the pandemic. What I can tell you is we've learned a great deal, but we've learned 3 main areas that I really would like to address today. First, the fact that we're both lean and adaptable allowed us to really pivot last year during the pandemic. Most of our customer base, particularly in the US, were short of PPE. And Medgyn was able to leverage our supply chain to really provide those products, which included surgical masks, N95s, and hand sanitizers, because our customers needed it, and we wanted to help them when they were on the front lines. A second area that we were really able to highlight through the Baldrige is our goal planning, which includes our corporate and division goal planning process at the beginning of the year. Again, what we were able to learn is that while we had action plans in place, we needed to build them out. We needed more robust workforce planning and action planning. The third area that we learned from the Baldrige was our strategic planning process. And through that, we had identified we wanted to acquire smaller medical device companies specialized in women's health. And that came to fruition last fall with the acquisition of Thomas Medical, our line of infertility products that we're so excited to have. But overall, I want to thank our team, the team here today, the team in Addison, for being on this Baldrige journey with us. It was, as I said, a very big undertaking, and we're learning every day from it. I'm excited about the new talent that we're bringing into the organization, and now we have this incredible space to do so. Again, I want to thank IMEC for their so many years of support to Medgyn. They've been an amazing contributor to our success. And most of all, I want to thank our customer base. Our Baldrige is our commitment to you. Thank you for your support in Medgyn. Thank you for your trust in Medgyn over the years. And thank you for the care that you give in women's health. Thank you.